Hi, everyone. Quick but important announcement about deadlines and how this course is structured. Due dates and pacing. All due dates are posted in three places. One, the pacing schedule. That's your God book. That's where everything is the truth. The sticky note and the announcements, like this. Use those because announcements are not simply due every assignments are not simply due every 2 weeks or every week. They follow a very specific schedule. So here's the rule you need to remember. All modules are due on Fridays at 5 p.m. And late work, it's not accepted. Even if you're mid-upload when the clock hits 5 o'clock, the portal will close, and that's the end of it. Now, per the syllabus, I'm available Monday through Thursday. Your deadlines are on Friday when I'm not in the office. That means if you wait until Friday afternoon and something breaks, I can't rescue you in real time. So the smart move is simple. Submit early, finish on Thursday, if it's at all possible. Don't gamble on last-minute tech or life issues. And an even better thing, work ahead. Be an entire module ahead if you can. If you get some downtime, do a little bit extra so you get this course over faster and quicker. Now, during week one, you'll only see the begin here materials and module one. After week one, the remaining modules will open up so you can work ahead and at your own pace. Also, there are no deadlines during the holidays, things like spring break, Thanksgiving break. I've left those open so that you guys can have those breaks, go enjoy it without worrying about work. But if you want to work ahead, you absolutely can. Now, the capstone module appears in the last 2 weeks or last week of the course, depending on what format you're in. That's where your final project and final exam live. The final exam is virtually proctored if you're online, and it's face-to-face if you're in my face-to-face class. It does require a webcam, so make sure you have one of those equipped, ready to use ahead of time before you get to that end week. And if you're my face-to-face class, just make sure that you're ready to be prepared to be in class to take that final exam. All right, go in, read the pacing schedule, plan your week, submit early. That is how you win the course. Consistency and pacing. Guys, I'm Professor P. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you need me, let me know. Bye, guys.